Now then, I'm just leaving home now. It's about 6 o'clock. Heading over to Nottingham to load some muck away, then dig down on a shed base to level, ready for putting some stanchion basins in a few weeks, I think. Waiting for planning permission coming through. So I'll give you a shout when we get there. So now then, just landed 40X. There's deep and muck here. There's brambles and all sorts going on in there. There's some trees growing in it there. So I'm going to set to and just start pulling this greenery off the top. Trying to keep the lorry drivers happy. And see how we go. Catch you in a bit. Right, see if we can get something wagging now. I'll just have to pull that bit forward. We'll give him a bit of a toot. So there's a pile of clay here underneath this here, there's this grass and then brambles there. There's some hardcore here. I think about them 2 load. Something like that. We'll see how we go. See how we go. That's his new painted lorry. He's just had another new lorry, so, well, new to him lorry anyway. He's had it painted in his colours, so hopefully we'll not drop anything down it. We're using the back bucket because there's not a deal of room to turn around to get, well, can't get the lorry round anywhere to load him over the side, and it's wet down here as well. So, and the customer uses this as his drive, so we don't want to be making a load of mess on that for him. So I've got to get rid of this and dig down to level for him putting a, I can't remember what size it is now, I think it's 40 by 40 building on, I think, something like that. Get a load of this hardcore away, then get the rest of them brambles pulled off there then. Ideally, I could have done with bringing a bucket with some teeth on, but ditching bucket will have to do. The riddle bucket would be ideal really, just to pull these brambles off, and you leave as much of the soil behind as you can with that as well. I thought they'd had a couple of load of this away already, but I had a load of rubble off this end, I think. That's all he could reach because he tried driving in with his lorry and he was starting to sink on him. First video I've done in a while because I've been on a job for the last 6 months and it's been proper steady. So nothing really worth videoing on there because I've done one on there and then everything else has been the same, and we just fetch a bucket of this and take a bucket of that, so nothing to get stuck into. We're back doing some jobs of my own again, so hopefully things will pick up a bit for the videos. We'll root in this corner, see what we've got. So wagon's gone to tip. Just pulled them last few bits of brick ends and concrete and whatever out of here. We'll see what we're doing a bit more now. It's come light and all. So there's not much there. That's all just brambles there. Then gonna be, I don't know, might be 5 load of muck there. That come out there where we put the drive in. Quite a few years ago that's been inked up there, but now there's one to put his shed up. They put the menage in as well. 2012 I think I did that. On the stable bases. So we'll get this bit loaded up when he gets back in, and jobs of fish. So that's all the concrete and stuff gone. Bit of load of clag away now. So hope you like the video. Keep liking and subscribing.